samarpayutum karunaya, out of mercy. He wanted to give what? Unnata ujjala rasang swabhakti, not uttal ujjal ras. It is in Srimati Radhika only. He wanted to test it. But samarpayitum karunaya unnata ujjala rasang swabhakti, the beauty of unnata ujjala, not unnata ujjala. There is difference between unnata ujjala ras and the beauty. Like a creeper, without leaves, manjaris, or flowers, no beauty. So Radhika may be the creeper, but beauty where? Leaves, flowers, and especially in Manjari. Lalita and Vishakha are more superior than Rup Manjari and others. But in some case, Lalita will have to go and take permission. May I come? May I come in, sir? She will have to be ordered. Directly they cannot go to Radha and Krishna. But Rup Manjari, Rati Manjari, always serving if they are naked even. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came mercifully to give this Manjari mood, Ullasa Rati. But this should be the aim and object, highest, of any jeev in this world. But rare. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself came with his associates like Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, like others. What? To give this Raganuga Marga. Raganuga Marga. What is the pair of Chaitanya? Rag Marga Bhakti Karite Pracharam. And fourth, first Adi Leela, fourth chapter. He has not come only to give Harinam, to preach Harinam, not only this. That can be done by Advaitacharya and others. But special this thing, Raganuga Marga, and that highest thing I told, the mood of Rupa Goswami, anyone cannot give without Krishna. And the associates of Radhika. So, our Guru Parampara Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself Krishna in the form of Radha Bhav Duta Sabalitam. He came only to be this. Very rare thing. Not only Vaidhi Bhakti, but the Bhakti has been preached by so many acharyas. So many. Ramanuj, Madhvacharya, Vishnu Swami, Nimbaditacharya. Even Marjada Bhakti has been preached by Ram and given. The Singhadev gave something. Raudra Ras he gave. And so many gave. Even Vyas, being a Narayan Tattva, he never knew this. By the mercy, a special mercy of Narada Goswami, he knew these things. And he advised him to give these sweet passions of Krishna. You have told about Dharma, Artha, Kam, Moksha. In other Quran, you have told about Krishna. But Krishna is covered with Dharma, Artha, Kam, Moksha. Now you should do. You have not told that Krishna was bonded by his mother Jashoda. Even. Now none has. You have not written that Krishna holding his hands, keeping his pick a feather and float on the lotus feet of Radhika. Na pare ham nirvadya sanjo. I cannot repay you. Even in the eye of demigods, never. So these are things. You are very fortunate to hear all these things. How to have these things? Oh, begin from beginning. Shramanam, Kirtanam, Vaidhi Bhakti. Especially Adav Saddha, Tata Sadhu Sangha, Anartha Nivritti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti. Then Suddha Sattva. Suddha Sattva in this world very rare. Very. Suddha Sattva, Visheshatma, Prem Sujjan Susamya Bhat, Ruchibhi Chittam Asrinya Kritausav Bhava. First avhas of prem in this world. And after nothing to practice in this world. Only bhava. For these things, Swamiji came, Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj. But what happened? He saw that there are so many jungles, no fertile land. He began to cut the jungles of Mayavad, Sakhi, Veki and all other things. Varnashram, Dharma, Sam. He wanted to establish first Daiva Varnashram. Be situated in Daiva Varnashram. And then practice all these. But you should know always. Sadhu Sangha, Sadhu Sangha, Sadhu Sangha, Sarva Shastra. Without Sadhu Sangha, you cannot advance. As she gave 2-3 examples. So we have come for these things and you are invited for these things. Always keep in your mind, Sri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Jena Bhutale. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu knew the mode of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He knew the heart of Chaitanya and he established. We should all, top to bottom, everyone should try to know your Gurudev heart and try to establish it. Don't quarrel. It may be so many things, problems, but try to forget all kinds of troubles. What your Gurudev wants, what your Guru Parampara wants, what Krishna and Mahaprabhu and his associates want. I told so many times that you should have a preaching center. Why? To give proper respect to seniors. If you are quarreling and not giving proper respects to seniors, you cannot advance an inch even. So, to train them to give proper respect, this is necessary. A preaching center also, where we should forget all our quarrels and be in one opinion that how we can fulfill the desire of our Guru Parampara, and how we can achieve this rare, what I told you, Adav Saddha, and in the last Suddha Sattva, Visheshatma, and in the last Prem. And then you will come Sneh Mat Pranay Rag Anurag Bhav Mahabhav and so many things. Don't waste your time, a moment even. Never. So I have come to remind you all these things. But seniors also give proper honor to junior also, and love and affection, and help them. It has been told, Ishware Prem, Prema, Kripa Upeksha.